Hello everyone. Today, I'll be explaining validation testing, an important process in software engineering that ensures the final product truly meets the needs and expectations of the user. Validation focuses on building the right product, the one that works as intended in real-world use. Let's walk through what it means and why it matters. Validation is about checking whether the software fulfills the purpose it was created for. It ensures that the final product aligns with user expectations, functions properly in real-world situations, and is genuinely useful. The focus here is on user needs, usability, and overall acceptance. Validation answers the question, are we building the right product? This means confirming whether the requirements are correctly understood and implemented. Unlike verification, which checks internal correctness, validation focuses on user workflows and real usage patterns. It happens after verification and after the system is integrated. Validation plays a crucial role in ensuring product success. It helps detect mismatches between user expectations and software output early in the process. This prevents costly changes after release and improves overall product acceptance. It also reduces long-term maintenance effort and protects the product from real-world failures that could impact user trust and brand reputation. Validation involves several important activities. First, we review functional and non-functional requirements to ensure clarity and correctness. Next, system testing is performed to validate the behavior of the entire integrated system. User acceptance testing, or UAT, is then carried out to get final approval from clients or end users. We also test real-world scenarios to make sure the product behaves correctly under actual conditions. Finally, documentation is reviewed to ensure manuals and guides are accurate and easy to understand. There are several types of validation testing. System testing validates the entire integrated system. Alpha testing is done internally by in-house users to find early issues. Beta testing is performed by real users in a real environment to gather practical feedback. User acceptance testing, or UAT, is the final confirmation that the software is ready to be delivered. Each type helps ensure usability, reliability, and accuracy. There are several types of validation testing. System testing validates the entire integrated system. Alpha testing is done internally by in-house users to find early issues. Beta testing is performed by real users in a real environment to gather practical feedback. User acceptance testing, or UAT, is the final confirmation that the software is ready to be delivered. Each type helps ensure usability, reliability, and accuracy. Let's look at a simple example, a food delivery app. During validation, we check if users can place orders smoothly under all conditions. We test payment flows like success, failure, and refunds. Delivery tracking must update correctly in real time. The app should be fast, intuitive, and easy to use, so usability testing is essential. We also make sure notifications reach the user on time. These checks ensure that the app works exactly how users expect in day-to-day life. Validation provides many benefits. It ensures the product is high quality and ready for real users. It reduces the chances of failures after release. It builds confidence among users and clients. It increases stability and reliability of the software. And overall, it helps teams release the product confidently, knowing it meets real-world needs.
Thank you for listening. I hope this session helped you clearly understand the difference between unit testing and integration testing. Feel free to ask any questions.